across the globe.
The Joint Action Committee or JAC today barged into the office of the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, demanding the immediate resumption of the construction of the dilapidated road from Pynursla-Dawki that falls under Phase 4 of the Nyidcl Road project. The JAC, comprising of the Federation of Riwar Mingi Local Dorbars, HANM Riwar Mingi Circle and HYC Riwar Mingi Circle, has given the authorities 20-day time to resume the work, failing of which they will be compelled to file a PIL in the Meghalaya High Court. Speaking to reporters, Federation of Riwar Mingi Local Dorbars Publicity Secretary Edmund Nongnai asked Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD Preston Tinsong, who is also the local MLA of Pynursla, to step down if he cannot resolve the problems faced by the people of his constituency. Notably, this project has been hit by several obstacles, with companies abandoning the work halfway for several reasons, leaving the project incomplete and the people in jeopardy due to lack of good roads.
Nhidcl mentaksni kumba pilai baga jiwan kejongi ban raplakat daga pejajai kalong kum katak kasin ban penpau sya ke sarkar jela bat sya ke company namar ke jingtrei ya ke surok Shillong Dawki kam tame na Pynursla sharum ter syadu sya umsim kalalong ka ba dang syupet hilawan dan jongi khmat ke bangi mi hapsyu baga dei ke surok tingin na kalian ke jongi hilawan men mesti ban raplakat de hadin bagi raplakat kila khot ban yakren ban ngi kinong yalam hapo kani ka office ban yakendu ya u nong yalam lani uhe jongani ka Nhidcl ngai por arpus ngi ya kani ka sarkar balada kamla ban le ai ya kani ka surok ngimban se ban kiu sya kami Meghalaya High Court da ka bingin ujot da ka PIL kata ka dei ka bangikran ha ka basai hakmat jongni general manager jong ka Nhidcl